Taxes, we all gotta pay them. They're how we keep the lights on in this country. Roads, taxes, schools, taxes, that weird statue of a horse your town put up? You guessed it, taxes. Think of it like a giant potluck, except instead of bringing potato salad, everyone chips in some money. Then the government, like some kind of elected party planner, decides how to spend it. Sure, there are arguments about who brings the best dish or who pays what, but it's how we keep things running. So yeah, taxes might not be the most fun thing in the world. They're kind of like that one weird relative you only see at family reunions. But they're important, so let's break down the different flavors of taxes we encounter in the good old US of A. First up, the big cheese, the head honcho, the one and only federal income tax. This is the money you pay the federal government on the money you earn. Think of it like a cut of your paycheck going straight to Uncle Sam. Here's the kicker though. The more dough you rake in, the bigger the slice Uncle Sam takes. This is called a progressive tax system, where higher earners pay a higher percentage of their income. So, if you're pulling in a cool $1 million a year, congrats by the way, you're gonna be forking over a bigger chunk than someone making minimum wage. Is it fair? Well, that's a whole other episode of Last Week Tonight. Next, we've got sales tax. This is the tax that gets tacked onto your purchases, like that extra few bucks you shell out for a gallon of milk or a new pair of socks. Here's the thing about sales tax. It varies depending on where you are. Each state and even some cities get to decide their own rates, so that pair of socks might cost you an extra 50 cents in one state, but a whole $1 in another. It's like a fun game of tax roulette, except not fun at all. And because it's added at the point of sale, it can feel like a sneaky little tax gremlin is always dipping into your wallet. Section 4, the homeowner's delight or not property tax. Now let's talk about property tax. If you own a home, congrats. You also get to pay property tax. This tax is based on the value of your property, so a bigger, fancier house means more taxes. Think of it like a membership fee for living in your town or city. This money goes towards funding local schools, fire departments, and all those other fun things that make your community tick. Of course, not everyone loves property tax. Some folks argue that it disproportionately affects seniors and those on fixed incomes. And yeah, it can be a real pain, especially if you live in an area with sky-high property values. Section 5, the afterlife tax estate tax. Last but not least, we have the estate tax, also known as the death tax. Cheery, right? This tax kicks in when someone with a very large estate passes away. We're talking mega rich folks here, not your average Joe. The idea is that even in death, the super wealthy should contribute their fair share. But it's a controversial topic, with some arguing that it's a form of double taxation. So, there you have it. A whirlwind tour of the wonderful world of taxes. They might not be the most exciting thing to talk about, but understanding how they work is crucial for navigating the financial landscape of these United States.